All right, so continuing on, the bridge then goes to the 4 to F, and you can just play F major, and it does that for 4 bars. Then the next 2 bars are that same D chord, D7, so you can either think A melodic minor or a D7 scale, a Lydian dominant, same thing. And then it goes back 2, 5, and then we're at the top. So I'll just play through a chorus of the song, and you can hear how those scales sound. C major. Here's your A melodic minor, or D7 sharp 11. D minor, G7, C major, A melodic minor, D Dorian, C, make that a C7 to get to F, F major, here's your D7, D minor, back to the top, C major scale, D7, G7, C.